Good morning. Is it live? Testing. Testing. I think it's good. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful week so far. Past few weeks has been really scary, man. I know a lot of people got shaken now, so I hope you guys are doing okay. But, ladies and gentlemen, if you are watching this video, make sure naka-live sa bottom of the screen. If it doesn't say live anywhere on the screen, then pinapanood nyo po yung recap. You guys like that transition there? You know what I mean? That bilingual. Good morning, everybody. What's up? Today's gonna be, I want to apologize in advance. I'm gonna try and make this a quick video, probably end it like somewhere around 8 today because I do have an appointment today. But it's gonna be interesting. There's gonna be a lot of things that we're gonna be going over as far as where we at in the bull cycle. There's a lot of mixed emotions out there still, and there's a lot of mixed charting and TAs out there that some are still saying that we are going into the bear market. Some are saying that we're not, and some are just kind of like, I don't know. Pero I think I got the answers. I've been doing a lot of research. I wanted to go sleep early last night, but I still stayed up and did some research. But before I went to sleep, we saw some news that came out about China banning minings and stuff like that. But it really didn't affect the market too much. We did see a big, we did see a dip. I don't know if it was this one. It might have been this one here. It was a small dip, but it wasn't enough to bring us down. So not too bad. All those news are becoming a little bit more, like the market's kind of like heard that stuff before. And actually, China banning the mining and all that, for BTC is actually a good thing for BTC in the long term, so especially if they want to go green one day, right? Save the planet and less pollution, then mining. But the bad news that we saw yesterday is actually a good news. So, but anyways, so are you guys ready? What's up? Good morning. Are you guys liked and subscribed to the channel? We are giving away $200 of whatever you want: USDT, XRP, LTC. I mean, I would recommend XRP because it's faster and it's cheaper and it's gonna go crazy. But if you don't want, that's fine. I can, blah blah blah. But yeah, here it is. I just wanted to let you know that this is it. This is the giveaway. We are gonna end this giveaway in June 30th, 2021, for 2 lucky winners. All you gotta do is just subscribe to the video. So yeah, let's do this. Subscribe, breakout room, and follow us on social media. We got Twitter, Instagram, and a Discord channel for you to, especially for all the new people out there. You're welcome to join the Discord. Just if you want to learn a little bit more and you like talking about random things. And if you want to see me on Facebook groups, just trolling and making people mad, there's a lot of haters out there, which is okay. You know what they say, right? Once you start getting a lot of haters, well, one day either lost money or you're doing something right. But yeah, man, what's up? I'm jacked. I'm excited. BTC is absolutely holding. the biggest support that we needed to hold. Where is my? Hold on. My mind just kind of blanked out for like a little bit. Um, it's like I'm not familiar with, you know, with the charts today. I don't know why, but anyways, so we've been we've been kind of wondering the past couple days kung magre-recover na ba or hindi, or kasi maraming mga takot na tao still na thinking that this is gonna go down to 28 to 20,000 to to 15,000. Do you realize when it goes down lower than this, you're gonna go into a bear market, right? Do you realize that? I hope that if you see this video and if you feel like if we go any lower than this, we are going to a bear market, and I'm sure you're not ready for that, because if you didn't even know that, then you're definitely not ready for that. Okay, so shout out to all the haters out there. I still love you. It's all, it's all love from this end. So it just, it cracks me up because I'm just like watching you say all those things, and I'm like, uh yeah, bro, you bought Doge. Ah! I drank a really good coffee this morning, so I feel great. Good morning, everybody. Um, but yeah, we are off to a good start. We are off to a good start. What we want to see BTC do here in the next couple days, or maybe this week, is BTC to get right back above 42,000 and actually hold that area. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just put this right here. Like, yeah, I'll just say to be safe right there, right? So we are you know currently holding this area, and this area here is very important. So this is the most important and the last piece of key level that you want BTC to hold. If we do come down a little bit, I would expect to just retest 33,500 area, and hold, and then we bounce off of there, right? So if you want a little visualize, we come back down and then come back, resume off, right? So or we could just continue to, keep get another green candle right back above here on the daily, get back above here and close that daily candle, or 4 hour, 8 hour, any type of body of candle up here. So which is going to be good. Let's see here. So I wanted to show you guys something here that's gonna kind of parang correlation siya sa nangyari, just yesterday, with the Dow Jones. So stock market, assets, Dow Jones, DJI. Oh, they don't have. Oh wait, kasi nasa stocks. So Dow Jones, where you at? There it is. So if we look at a higher time frame on Dow Jones, you're gonna see they don't have whale. Let me see if I can find another chart. Dow Jones. There it is, Dow Jones. I just saw it. Dow Jones and stable. Let me find it real quick. I know it's DJI. But I don't have it. Anyways, well, if not Dow Jones, we can look at the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is pretty much the same thing, because you need to know this. You need to know this. So there it is right there. So if you guys look at here, where the Nasdaq, okay, where we had that March 2020 crash, okay, all that did was retrace back to this previous all-time high here, right before Nasdaq went up, had that W shape pattern back in 2018 when we had that crash, and then resumption off to, kind of like what a blow off top would look like, or a bubble would look like. But we pretty much just retested that area. So, and then until we started, we had a V-shape recovery, right, for the Nasdaq, and continue to make all-time highs, right? So now that kind of seen that, that's what we basically just did. And that's what we basically just did with the total coin market cap, right? So what we did was we retested that same area, okay? So we were to follow what Nasdaq did was basically what's going to happen here is the V-shaped recovery for all the altcoins, right? So currently we fell back to 822 billion total altcoin market cap, right? So we were just at 1.5 trillion, right? So I'm expecting for us to come back up and get back up to towards the 2 trillion market cap, maybe even back above. Like, we probably, by the time we finish this market, we probably end up like around 5.1 trillion. So so that's where we at currently. And I think the reason why I was 90% sure that we were bottomed out here at $30,000, BTC, XRP at above 75 cents here, which is good. We closed right above 75 cents, is because of the total market cap, altcoin market cap. So to me, this was pretty much the signal that we were bottom. So all we're gonna see here pretty much is that that steady uptrend to the to the upside. So, but other than that, let's see here what we got on BTC. Yeah, we mentioned that we need to get back above here, so we'll wait a couple days on that. XRP, interesting stuff, man. What we did here was we pretty much just retested the on the daily chart. So we retested this 3-year resistance. We would actually, I don't know kung natatandaan nyo pa, pero we mentioned this somewhere around the beginning of this live stream, the beginning of this YouTube channel, that we needed to retrace down here, right at the very beginning. I don't know if you guys remember, but we said that we needed to retrace here. But since we kind of just went blue, and then I started mentioning about like, well, I guess it depends on how bullish it is, right? And I always say that anytime we have a breakout, usually we see that retrace, right? A breakout and then a retrace, but we never got it. We never ended up getting that retrace. And then when we came down here, we had a video saying, okay, well, I guess it's not gonna come back down and retrace, and I guess this part of the resistance was okay right here, right? That second yellow line, I guess, that was okay for XRP to come down to, and that was it. And we thought that that was it, and it was going to continue to go up, right? But little did we know, so that's the thing about TAs. Any TA, you can ask them, we always have to change our, narratives, I guess you can say. We're not perfect all the time, all right? We're not gonna predict where it's gonna go all the time, although sometimes we get fake outs and everything. But we always have to change based on what's happening on the price action, right? So we did not expect something like this to happen at this time, because and I'm gonna go into another scenario here, okay? the what if scenario. All right. And so everything is just different this time of the bull cycle. The past two bull cycles were, we're following each other, and then this bull cycle is just not. It's not following the previous bull cycle. There's a slight difference in the time. One is like, for example, XRP. XRP should have crashed right back down here, or actually right here in this area a long time ago. Right when this was coming down, it should have came down all the way, but it didn't. It kept on, it bounced from here and then it kept on going up, right? We're just now seeing this. We expected it on BTC, where when BTC, kind of broke out of here, we wanted BTC to retest this area right here, but didn't, right? It almost did, but it didn't. So we just kept on doing this, and then we fell all the way back down here, right? Which was a little bit more than what we kind of wanted. So that's why it's a little bit different this time of the, this time. Yes, I mean, we know that the higher BTC goes, the bigger drops we're going to see, like this. I mean, this is what is it? Can't remember. A 54% drop. So we never really seen that except one time. I mean, we've seen it one time, like a long time ago, but I think it might have been somewhere over here back in 2013 or something like that. But that was it. All right. So with that being said, here's the deal. Okay. This is just the what if BTC, right? This is what you got to look out for. Okay, let me go back to the previous bull cycle. All right, so this is what thing you got to look out for. The last time BTC fell from here to here, right, where we ended up on the what is that, Rev? 50 EMA. I don't know. I know the lines, but I don't know the names of it, so I don't really care about it. I just use it to spot this trend. But anyways, so the last time we fell back into this 50 EMA right here, it triggered the bear market. All right, it did trigger the bear market. I mean, if you go back to XRP, it's the same thing, right? Same thing. We triggered the bear market. But did XRP do that this year? Not yet, right? It hasn't done it yet. Almost, but it didn't do it yet. But here we are. Current day, we hit that 50 EMA. All right. So now what you want to look out for, okay, and because this whole thing is not over, okay, until this is why we gotta, you still gotta be cautious. This is where you need to be worried right here. Right now, there's nothing to worry, but this is where you need to be worried, right? So once we get up here, right? Get up here, and then we start to come back down. That's where you need to be worried, okay? Because we hit the 50 EMA, triggered the bear market. That's why everybody's kind of have that mixture of emotions at the moment, right? People are like saying, "Oh, I don't know, this is it. This is the bear market. Is this the beginning, or are we gonna keep on going up?" Well, that's the thing, right? We don't know until we get to this retrace. So BTC tops out, comes down, retraced, right? And then comes back down towards this 50 EMA. Okay. So what you want to do is pay attention, right? So how long did this took? 3 days. What was that? Let's see. We got the down. We got 1 day, 2, 3. Oh no, wait. That's 26. Oh yeah. Let's see. From here. So about a month, right? It took about a month for BTC to top out. Okay. So we gotta wait a month, right? So then what you want to see is BTC closes above this level at 42,000, hold it and continue to go up. Okay? So that's what you want to see, because that will extend on or prolong the bull cycle. Okay? And then we can start to see, we can start to go up, whatever BTC's price target is. I want to say it's 72 or 70 to $80,000, but with the way things are going, with the way things are with this bull cycle, it's so different. I think it'll go higher than that, but my minimum price target for BTC is $70 to $80,000. All right. And then so back to XRP. So back to XRP. Here it is. So if we are to continue, right? If we are to continue with this bull cycle, and if BTC continues, then you should see the same thing for XRP. You should see XRP. Let me delete that. All right. Where is there you are. So we have that level support, and then we have this level support, right? So we need to see XRP pretty much come back up here, all right, and hold that as well. Okay, we could see it retrace back down here, but we need to continue going up. All right, we need to hold this. All right, during this whole time, we need to hold this. So we kind of have either a bull flag with XRP, like just a giant bull flag, and then break out of this bull flag, or I saw a chart yesterday which kind of gives us a really cool scenario of this bear market, this downtrend right here, and XRP breaking out of that downtrend and retracing, right? Same thing, we had a inverse head and shoulder here, which marks a very bullish pattern for XRP at the very beginning, right? We had the shoulders, the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, the neckline. We broke out of that neckline, and then we're just coming down to retrace, and that's what we did. And now we're going to resumption off, right? So I've always mentioned that if you want to be, if you want to be good in trading, take advantage of these breakouts, right? Wait for the retrace and then come back in, right? It could happen on a smaller time frame and things like that. So, let's see. But yeah, look at this. I mean, this is huge. I think it's huge. So let me broaden my there you go. Let me change my to that, to a line. But I mean, that's dope. That is dope. All right. You could say, this is a downtrend. This is what a bear market looks like. Okay. So and then here's another cool thing, if you guys want to know this, but this is pretty cool. If you guys want to find out where we are in this bull cycle, right? So what you want to do is you want to take your fib retracement. You can either put it somewhere in the bottom here. Let's see, like right here, or even like right here. Let's see, right there. So where we at currently is, what is this? What level are we at? Let's just say the 618. So we'll just say right here, the 618 level. Right from the bottom, the very bottom, which was 11 cents, to the current top, which is $1.96, right? So let's just say we're right here in the middle spot of 618. So the 618 and the fib retracement. So if we go back here and figure out exactly where we are from the bottom of this, right? So let's see here if we can mix this. Make sure this is correct. Correct. We're at the 618 level, right? So here currently I put the top of my, or the what do you call that, the 0.07 retracement right here where this big move was, where we went down. It's currently at the 618 level, right? Or you could do this. Let's see, we could put it right up here, and put it down here. But that doesn't make sense because, I mean, it's just, look at this, right? We're still at the beginning, right? So this is, you had the one leg up, retrace, and then you had the second leg. So I believe we're still down here in this area. Right now we're down here. So I think we're going to have this, we already had this, we finished this one leg up. We're going to have this second leg next, and then we go overextended. You see how the 4.236 is already overextended, and then eventually we consolidate for however long BTC finishes. It could be until January to February of 2022. So that's how long that'll take, right? That's how long this consolidation is. And then the final move, which is the blow off top, right? The final move with the blow off top is somewhere up there. Yeah, you guys already saw that. But I'm just saying, I mean, if you were to put your fib retracement to the top of this, where we're currently at the moment, to the bottom, and then right here to here, then yeah, that's where we're at. This rally here was this rally here, you know what I mean? And then we came down. So that's that rally, we came down, and then we kind of had a kind of green candle right here, and then that's pretty much what that is, right? And then we continue to go up. So, but yeah, that's that. And then I wanted to share with you guys something else. Let's see. All right, go back to 4 hours. So currently 4 hours is still trying to get up there. This is what you want to see, though. I mean, you want to see this gradual upward movement, not a crazy big green candle yet. Not yet. We want to see this gradually go up above the 97 cents area. All right. Because you want to see it, just consolidate a little bit, kind of go up, come down, go up, come down until Friday, the big news. All right. Do you guys, did everybody get like a chance to listen to all that news? Yung SEC versus Ripple hearing. Big win for Ripple XRP. Let's see here. I'm looking for news real quick. I'm trying, which is a very good sign because the daily channel meaning it's much stronger over the time frame. But I want to see if I can. Anyways, what's up? What's up? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. That is a big retest. It's huge. It's really huge. I mean, if you think about it, that's daily. That's on the daily time frame. All right. That's a very big breakout. That's huge breakout. I mean, think about the smaller time frame breakouts, right? When we broke out of this inverse head and shoulder breakout, we should have came down a long time ago, but we didn't, and then we're just now coming down, and then resumption off to the to the top. But this breakout of this bear market, a breakout from this bear market, I mean, where do you think we're going, right? Last time we had that, kind of like something like that, right? We went crazy. Did it retraced back down here? Yeah, that this huge candle here. You guys see that wick? I think that was their retest. So it waited. I mean, it literally waited for XRP to go. It break out, came down, just kind of like what's happening now, right? You kind of go up. You waited until you get up here, and then you came down and retested, right? What if we're down here still, currently in 2021, and this is just you know, this is just how long did this took here? Let's see. How long did it take for XRP? 6 days. 6 days. It's not bad. No, we'll probably be here somewhere. But yeah, it went all the way up. XRP went all the way back down here, and then just maintain this daily candle bullish. I mean, because if you went all the way down here, this is huge volume. I mean, look at that. Look at this is big volume. Um, but the bulls pretty much maintain this trend to keep it, going up. And but yeah, I mean, you've seen XRP go from 3 cents all the way to $3. So yeah, it's pretty crazy, right? 3 cents to $3. So now, currently, you know, this is where we at. It's pretty much almost the same thing that's happening now. Came up, waited until we get up here, and then came back down, and then all of a sudden we're going up. But yeah, I mean that's a pretty big that's a big breakout from the bear market. I mean, you have this downtrend here for years, for almost, what is that, from 2018 to 2021, right? Downtrend. And all of a sudden we get a breakout, a retest, and then resumption off, right? So if you got an intro here, man, good for you. That's awesome. I got scared. I'm not gonna lie. I got real scared because I took a position, a big position here, somewhere around 75 and 70 cents, and it just kept on going. And I'm like, uh-oh, I was getting real scared. But I held my position. My liquid price was, it wasn't all that, it was down here. All right. I was like, okay, I have, there's a support right there. You should have seen me yesterday. I was kind of panicking because of that big position. I mean, I have long term, which is that I don't care, because I don't even look at that anymore. I'll just wait. But you know, I put a big position right over here, and I'm like, okay, all right. My liquidation price was like right here, and I'm like, it keeps on going down, and then all of a sudden, like maybe about 30 minutes in, um after thinking I was gonna get wiped out, I felt better when I saw a green candle. I felt so much better, and then all of a sudden we started to see recovery, and I was like, "Ooh!" um, but yeah, that was intense. That was intense. But yeah, no, this is good. This is a good sign. So you could see either a really big candle back above here, or you could see how long do we have on this? Oh, this is a daily. So um, yeah, you still have 11 hours on a daily. All right, so you got your 4 hour candles. All right, so basically you're hitting your first sign of resistance right now in this area right here. All right, so what you can see is probably kind of go up here, trade sideways here, and then eventually go up. or you can see trade sideways here, coming to come down a little bit and then go up. Usually that's how it works. So you kind of have this pattern of you got down, you go up, you come down, you go up, you come down. Now you're gonna see the same thing, the opposite way. So you're gonna go up, you come down, you go up, you come down, you go up, like a V-shaped recovery, right? So, but remember, I was trying to tell you about gaps, right? How we gap down, kind of like here, kind of come back, and then all the way down here. So if we go to a daily, I don't know if I can if we can handle that daily. Wait, no, it can't. So let's go to 8 hours. Let's see if it handles the 8 hours. I'm waiting for the volume profile to show up. No, it didn't. It can't handle. Okay, so 4 hours. Still not handling it. Okay, that's weird. All right, let's see if it handles now. Okay, there it is. All right, so typically, you'll see big volume down here, kind of like what you're seeing here. All right, if it was able to show us, yeah, I guess it didn't want to. Pero here's what we have. So we have this big volume here, which is usually where the price is attracted to. All right, the price always tends to go back to these things, to these point of control, the red line here. All right, whether if it's down here or up here, it doesn't matter. It'll, if it's on the downtrend, it'll be attracted to this on the higher time frame. If it's on the uptrend, it'll be attracted to this. All right, but anyways, so usually we see this right down here also, and then you see this like really small volume area here, and then a big volume right here. So then that would mean you had a gap down like this, a gap down, and a gap down. So it's kind of like a 3-day session almost, or it don't matter if it was a 3-day, 1-2 weeks or whatever. It's still a gap. It's still in this gap. All right, and this gap has to be filled all the time. You can ask Mr. Arjun Soriano. He knows what I'm talking about. Anytime it gaps down, it always has to be filled, right? And so when we gap down here, now we're gonna have to fill that gap up, right? So we're gonna have to gap up again. So you see that gap starting from right here. Here, let's just do this. Starting from here, we gap down. Like you see these empty spaces, this space here, especially this one. Then we kind of went up, and then came, we had a gap down, right? So right here, you're gonna see in this area, since there's higher volume in this area, you should see sideways trading, right? It's not long sideways trading. I mean, it's just kind of like whatever happened here. But every time you see a spike in this volume profile, expect a sideways trading. Same thing in this area, okay? Expect it already. So kind of like what you're seeing here, expect that sideways trading. But when you have you see how it kind of how it changes. So now, when you see the sideways trading right here, expect after it gets done doing that, expect another gap up here, and then another sideways trading. Kind of go up a little bit, sideways trading, go up a lot, all right, and then sideways trading for sure, and then it break out. But that's a really cool feature to have if you have the Pro. You can use the volume profile. It helps spot. But since this is when you change it, since this is a smaller, it's not a big spike or anything, you could actually see this go up here to like $1.03, which is what you want to see. Anyways, you want to be back above here, this yellow line, but you will see, how this empty. Okay, so the empty spaces, like right, kind of like right, what's gonna see here, well, aka the gap. The price doesn't stay there long. All right, it doesn't stay there. It either keeps on going down or keeps on going up. So since we are on a down or on the uptrend, you'll see that we're just gonna keep on going up here. So this right here, you could just go on the 15-minute time frame and use the volume profile. So let me edit my thing. So as you can see, when you change the time frame a little bit, let's see if we can kind of zoom in there. There we go. You see how the point of control is right here? And see how the price, I mean, it just always tends to go up towards this point of control. If it's on a downtrend, that point of control would be down here or down here, right? So basically, you have these big spikes right here, right? So that means you have the sideways trading, and then you have a gap here, which means the price can't stay there, so it has to keep on moving, right? So kind of like what you see here, gap, the price kept moving. Big spike, you have a consolidation. Gap, you kept on moving, and then right here you should have consolidation in this area, right? Because now, you need to, or basically they need to battle out who's gonna win this, point of control. Is it the buyers or is it the sellers, right? If the buyers win, we continue to move up, we fill this gap, right? And so we move up until we get to this point here. This point here was right here at the time. So when we were trading sideways here, we were, we were at the point of control where we saw this really big bounce, and then all of a sudden, huge amount of sellers, right? You see how it's purple? You're seeing a bunch of sellers here. So what basically what you're gonna see is consolidation in this area, right? So kaya kanina sabi ko, we're gonna basically follow this downtrend, kind of like the up down, or no, down up, down up, down. So we're gonna see up down, up down, up, all the way to this point of control here. So I hope you guys learned how to use the volume profile. Good stuff. Good stuff. So if you were looking at Matic, right? I know a lot of people are into Matic. Matic and One has a collaboration. They've been having collaboration for a while. But if you guys are looking for a really good, add on to your portfolio, Matic One ADA is one of the best ones that you can put in your portfolio right now. ADA is coming out with some smart contracts. Apparently, it's a competition to Ethereum. So you guys want to hear what the top analysis say about Ethereum, Cardano's price target? $40. $40. Okay, so that is Cardano. But with that being said, so if Cardano is aiming to go to $40, right? I mean, I'm all XRP. I will eventually, because I sold all my Cardanos already. I sold, remember when we were just kids and we fell in love not knowing. Where you at? Remember when we were just up here? I was like, I think I'm gonna sell all 70% of my portfolio. I sold Cardano with it. It's okay. I mean, I'll get back to Cardano eventually, but right now I'm not. I'm gonna wait. But yeah, I know, right? Uh, so yeah, I mean, that's why I don't know why, but I felt like I always trust my feelings on it. Um, I always trust my feelings when it's time to sell. I usually get this feeling, and I'm like, all right, I'm gonna sell everything except my XRPs and XLMs. Um, and then I have some more in a different wallet that different coins and stuff like that. I'm just waiting for it to go to $1 and I'll be retired forever. But yeah, no. So where we were at? Oh, Cardano. Yeah, Cardano. So Cardano is so bullish, guys. Look at this. Cardano all time high is $1.38. It's amazing how Cardano, like, you see these wicks here, that signals strong buying support, right? Wick down once, strong buying support. Wick down twice, strong buying support. A wick here, that's the third time we've seen Cardano get bought up, like wick, get wicked up just like that. Third time in a row, and then now it's back above the $1.38. It's $1.53 right now. You want to see Cardano get back up to $1.64, 65, but you're in a buy zone. I don't know why I put this. I think I did this a long time ago, but you're in a buy zone now. So this is great prices for Cardano. Um, hold it long term. Uh, yeah. I still see like marami pa akong nakikitang mga traders na I don't know. I guess they don't know about, or they don't care about long term hold. I don't want to say, But anyways, mabuhay ka John Yalad. What? I know what mabuhay means, but sino si John? Sino si man, I seen a lot of funny Filipino videos. Issue ka. This Mr. Lex Savage. Uh Hold on, let me read this real quick. That's funny. Um, you guys are hilarious. Shout out to the chat, baby. You guys are funny. You guys crack me up, man. Uh, but yeah, I mean, all across the board, we are green. You guys are hilarious. I mean, the more we grow, it's funny though, man. The more we grow, um, eventually, guys, eventually, and there's gonna be like so much more people in this chat that there's gonna be like it's gonna become like a Tinder account or something. So some way you're gonna meet your yung first love mo, yung your one and only. Man. This is, some of you guys, man, you never know, man. If you have the same type of mindset, trader siya, trader ka. I mean, and she got the long term, man. Tanungin mo na kung may long term siya. Okay, guys, ladies, if you find somebody in here, yung first question mo dapat may long term ba siya? Oh man. Man, they better have that long term. Ay, ay, ay. That's funny. If they don't have a long term, ejectocito, cuz. Oh man. Let's watch the price action here. But yeah, man, you never know. May long term daw si ano, si Alejandro. Oh god. Nagkaka long term no. Stop it. Oh man. My friends here, they were showing me a funny video about the ngungo. Ngungo. Ngulay. Ngulay pink. That she cracked me up, man. So, uh, when you find somebody here, ask them, "May long name ka?" I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's messed up. I over here they would go after you for that stuff. It's funny. Um, but man, that show or movie or episode or whatever that was, it's really funny. Nakakatawa talaga. Ayos. Uh, is he just acting though? Is just the act, or is he really like I think it's just an act, right? It's funny. Um. Oh man, Matic at 44%. Crazy. Acting. Ah, okay. Parang ano, I need to change my latency kasi ano eh, delayed. May delay ako. Uh, Ladies and gentlemen, it is 7:53 and the announcement for today is the $200 giveaway. I just wanted to say that all you gotta do is like and subscribe to the video. We are all about education here. Everything that we do is free now. We don't charge you anything for what we do. And so all we ask is that you subscribe to the video, follow us on Discord, and subscribe to the videos. Because you never know. The goal is to get to $1,000, $1,000, 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers by the end of June 2021, and we will do a live giveaway on stream to the two lucky winner. And so it'd be great. It'll be great. Unfortunately, I would have to end the stream. Yung under tank pwede na. We would have to end the stream here in a little bit. Because we do I do have an appointment to go to, and I just want to say thank you guys for always being here, man. You guys are amazing, like all the time. And for having my back too. You know, I know, one day if I don't thank you guys enough, I mean, one day I'm gonna be like, I think I don't thank you guys enough. So, but I do thank you guys. I want to keep on saying thank you for everything that you do. That every time you come here and you stay consistent, you're always learning. You always you're always making things happen. Um, Man, it just amazes me, man. Like for real, because it reminds me of like me, back when I was in my learning phase, and I'm still learning, but when I was just a student, man, I always show up to everything. I don't care what everybody else does. I showed up because, and I was always in the front seat because it always interests me to learn something different and to find out where am I at and things like that. And I had coaches too, and I respect and you know, uh, I guess how do you say it? Like everything that my coach taught me, I still know and remember everything. And so, but yeah, man, yeah, huge shout out to all of y'all. I mean, you guys are amazing. It's all good in the hood. Yeah, know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's see how I talk. I have a little slang in my English because I grew up in Dallas, Texas, and I grew up in the hood. As a Filipino guy, marami akong mga kaibigan na ano, yung mga gangsters. I used to be a gangster, but not anymore. I'm a good boy now. I changed my ways, you know. Um, yeah, but yeah, man. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Um, Coach Mavs. Hey. Uh, yeah. No, I'll still be on Discord. You know, I'll be on there and ask me any questions on whatever, you know, direct message, or just, you know, we'll talk about it. We'll talk about it on Discord. But if anything comes up, I'll definitely keep you guys updated. And let's see here. Let's see what we got. Let's check news real quick. Nobody's talking bad about anything. Um, nobody's talking bad. Nobody's talking bad. Let's see here. Wait lang. Play the outro. Oh, you know it. I'm gonna be playing that outro. I'm gonna be playing that outro. Some guy was like, yeah, you're always changing your price target. Ooh, oh, XRP is gonna go to $20. Ooh. And then there's this guy. He's like, I don't know what he said. It's not Tagalog. It's something else. I don't know his I don't know it, but he's over there talking to himself. He said, beware to whom to follow, especially those laser eyes. And then I was like, look, the guy who buys Dogecoin. And then he's like, halos lahat ng dip, sir, ginagawa mong needed for much bigger rally. Baka mamaya aabot ng 2 cents, 3 cents dip yan, tapos needed pa rin for rally. And then he replied again. And I'm like, I didn't say nothing. But he's like, aminin nyo na kasi nasa bear season na tayo. Remember this guy here. Here, I'll show you. Where you at? There you go. Look at this guy. Vincent Hart. Aminin nyo na kasi nasa bear. He probably lost money though. Is what's happening now. Well, anyways, naka-stop limit naman ako, so okay lang. Pero yung breakout na sinasabi mo, mukhang malabo, sir. Yeah, that's cool though. Heart. Let's just send him a heart to make him mad. There you go. I don't take nobody seriously, man. Come on. I'll just be saying like mean things sometimes. Sir, baka wave 4 na din. Nah, if anything, we're going to wave 3. Natalo yung loan niya. But yeah, man, ang daming bitter talaga. Kasi, I mean, I understand. Not gonna lie. This past weeks has been a downtrend sa feeling. But I understand. Everybody's, you know, I mean, even I was getting worried around here, but still not enough to shake me out of my positions. Know what I'm saying? Because I've seen this. You know, think about this. This is big news. Right here, look, check it out. I was up like, okay, I'm like right here. I was like, oh yeah, it's about to get crazy. And then all of a sudden, you see headline: Ripple XRP getting what do you call it? Sued for, you know, securities by the SEC. You know how fast this drop was? Whoa. Press the brakes, you know? And then, yeah. You know how crazy this was? This is a big drop. Yeah, we were headed to the dollar. But look at this. A big drop, man. So no, yeah, absolutely. Yeah, hayaan mo siya. He's gonna end up buying up here anyways. Watch, he's gonna wait until he buys up here. He bought Doge when Doge was like right here. Damn, I didn't know Doge dropped like that much. 46% from there. 42 cents. 42%. That's crazy, dude. But yeah, no. Doge, I think Doge is gonna go up eventually. It's just gonna finish out and squeeze here. It's gonna be a really long consolidation for Doge. So, let's just say it finishes out right there. 30 days. So we got about 10 more days until Doge makes a decision whether to go up or to go down. So here in about 10 days, pay attention to what's going to happen in Doge, all right? 10 days. But other than that, ladies and gentlemen, I love you all. Thank you so much again. And I'll see you on the Discord. Horn. Did it play? Horn. I always does not want to do it. Oh well, there we go.
Stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own cold trigger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Whatever you want, I'll be whatever you want. Just tell me you love me or not, whatever it costs. I know I'm talking a lot, there's something I gotta get off. Don't wanna be this no more, I don't wanna drink no more. Always gotta do the most, thinking that I'm insecure. Really should've listened more, but I don't of course. I'm an asshole, I'm a good guy, I'm your best friend, I'm the worst type. Tell you everything that you heard right, just so I can fuck on the first night. Feel like I'm losing hope, running from coast to coast. I don't know where to go, this all I've ever known. I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire.